So let's start the next video. So here in this is our third presentation using Arduino. So first I will show you the list of items we will be using. Here I'm using an Arduino Uno R3 and I'm using a positional microservo and I'm using a 10 kilo ohm potentiometer I'm using. So this is my circuit diagram. Okay, this is my connection. Okay, so this is my servo and I have connected this 5 voltage to the positive of the breadboard and ground from the Arduino ground to the negative of the breadboard. So in the servo, we have 3 terminals. One is ground, power, and a signal. So this ground is connected to the negative of the breadboard, and power is connected to the positive of the breadboard. And this signal is connected to pin number 9. So pin number 9 is controlling the this is my output. Pin number 9 is my output. So pin number 9 is connected to the signal here. Then we have a potentiometer. So this is my potentiometer with a resistance 10 kilo ohm. And we have 3 terminals, terminal 1, terminal 2, and a wiper terminal. So terminal 1 is connected to negative and terminal 2 is connected to positive. And this wiper, okay, with this we can change the resistance from minimum to maximum like this. So this wiper terminal is connected to the analog pin A0 of the Arduino. Okay, so I will start the simulation. When I start the simulation, and I will this potentiometer is 0. Okay, resistance value is 0. So I'm changing this resistance to maximum. So when I'm changing the resistance value, you can see the motor is rotating. Motor is rotating from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, when I am rotating this knob, when I am changing the resistance value from 0 to maximum, what happens is the motor will rotate according to the rotation of this wiper. Okay, then let's check the code. Okay, stop simulation and check the code. Okay, so here what happens is uh, here this angle, as I mentioned in the last video, this rotation, this angle is from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, so here when I'm changing this, when I will change this resistance value, so what happens is that when I'm changing this resistance value, so this will map the value, the analog value from 0 to 1023. Okay, then this potentiometer value 0 to 1023, this potentiometer value, this value is mapped to a range of 0 to 180 degree. Okay, so if this signal is 0, 0 means 0 degree, and 1023 means 180 degree. Okay, so if the potentiometer is here, that means 0, and if the potentiometer is this side, that means this is 1023. Okay, so that is mapped that potentiometer value is mapped to a range of 0 to 180 degree. So when the potentiometer value is 0, then this motor rotation angle will be 0 degree. And if the potentiometer value is from 0 to 1023, means 1023 is the maximum, so that value is mapped to the 180 degree of this servo motor. So this is what is happening here. Angle map potentiometer value 0, 1023, 0, 180. So this line indicates that map the potentiometer value of 0 to 1023 to 0 to 180 degree of this motor. Okay. Okay. And we can see when we will upload this into the Arduino, we can see the serial output. We can see the potentiometer value and the servo angle so that we can debug it. So serial print, we can see the potentiometer value, what will be the potentiometer value, and serial print, what will be the servo angle. If the potentiometer value is 0, what will be the servo angle? 0 degree. If the potentiometer value is 1023, the value will be 180 degree, like that. So there is a delay of 15 milliseconds, small delay to allow the servo to move. So when I'm changing this, when I'm changing this potentiometer value, the rotation angle will be okay. See, when I'm changing this potentiometer value, now this is going back to 0 degree. Now this is 0 degree. Okay, and now this is from 0 to 180 degree. Now this is maximum. Maximum means 180 degree. Okay. So here this analog pin, this is A0. This analog pin is connected to the wiper terminal of the potentiometer. So pin connected, potentiometer pin, that is equal to A0. That means pin connected to the potentiometer. Pin connected to the potentiometer. Then potentiometer value, initially the potentiometer value is 0, and angle is also 0 degree. And here I am for the servo, this signal I'm connecting this pin number 9. Okay, I'm connecting pin number 9 to this servo motor. So that is my servo dot attach 9. Attach the servo to pin number 9. So this servo is connected to the pin number 9 of this Arduino. So serial begin 9600 means serial communication start for debugging. So then once we will start, first of all, read the potentiometer value. What is the potentiometer value? Initially, what is the potentiometer value? Initially, the potentiometer value is 0. Okay. Then initially the potentiometer value is 0, and we know that the potentiometer value is from 0 to 1023. The potentiometer value is from 0 to 1023. So initially the potentiometer value is read with the help of this analog read potentiometer pin. Then once we will read the potentiometer value, then next step is map that value with the range of 0 to 180 degree. What is the potentiometer value? 0, 1, 2, 3, like that. Then map that potentiometer value with to a range of 0 to 180 degree. Then then the next step, then the next step will be my servo dot right angle. Okay, so if the potentiometer value is 0, that means that is mapped to 0 degree. That means then that mapped angle will be provided to this servo. Okay, with the help of this pin number 9. Okay, so for example, if it is 180, if it is 1023, then the mapped angle will be 180 degree, right? So that angle will be input to this motor using this my servo dot right. Okay, so then what happens? This motor will rotate from 0 to 180 degree. Okay, and this is serial print. This is serial print means this is to print potentiometer value and servo angle for debugging. Okay, when I'm rotating this, potentiometer, you can see what is the potentiometer value and what will be the servo angle. Okay, so that's all about that's all about the 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 connection, the code, and everything related uh, to the project, connecting Arduino, breadboard, servo, and potentiometer. So this is the schematic view, and here you can see this is the Arduino, and here Arduino pin number 9. Pin number 9 is connected to the servo to the signal. Okay, this is the servo, and this pin number 9 is connected to the signal. And here we have one power and ground. Power is connected to the positive. Where is positive? Yeah, this power is connected to the 5 voltage, right? See here this power is connected to the 5 voltage, and ground is connected to the negative, and this ground is connected to the negative. Okay, so this power is connected to the 5 voltage and ground is connected to the negative ground. And coming to the potentiometer, there are two terminals. Terminal one is connected to ground, and terminal 2 is connected to the 5 voltage. And this wiper terminal is connected to the analog pin A0. Okay, so this wiper pin is connected to the and this wiper pin is connected to the analog pin A0. So that's all about this. Okay, so try this. Thank you.